Welcome back to a new mixed media video. Today I'm sharing two index cards that I have done with Brushos mists and the brand new Brushos Sprinkle It. I start with the background and I'm using a piece of acetate and spritz it with the Brushos sprays and apply the paint to the page. I add the Brushos Sprinkle It pearl and spritz it with water. The stamps I'm using are from Viva Las Vegas stamps. I originally planned to use the smaller butterflies on the left side, but then I end up with a really simple layout. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a little bit inspired. Thank you for watching. Bye!